ready to take control of your money with ease and security. Let's get your Security Bank checking account open now. First things first, you'll need a few things to get started. Security Bank makes it simple. You'll need a valid governmentist photo ID. Think your driver's license or passport. Also, be prepared to provide your social security number or taxpayer identification number. Next, you'll need proof of address. A recent utility bill or a statement from another bank showing your current address will do the trick. This just helps Security Bank verify where you live. Now, let's talk about the application. You have two fantastic options. You can apply online directly through the Security Bank website, which is super convenient, or you can visit any Security Bank branch for personalized assistance. If you choose to apply online, you'll simply fill out their secure application form, entering your personal details and the information we just discussed. If you visit a branch, a helpful team member will guide you through each step, making the process smooth and stress-free. As you go through the application, you'll get to choose the checking account that best fits your lifestyle. Security Bank offers great options with benefits like no monthly maintenance fees if you meet certain requirements, free online and mobile banking, and a vast network of ATMs for easy access to your cash. Once your account is approved, you'll receive your new Security Bank debit card and account details. You can start making deposits, writing checks, and enjoying the peace of mind that comes with managing your finances with a trusted institution. Opening a checking account with Security Bank is a straightforward process designed to empower your financial journey. Welcome to a smarter way to bank.